To simplify rational exponents, this is what you're going to do. So we have here an example number 1. The given is 1000 raised to the power of 2/3. So you have to look for the index. The 3 here stands for, or the denominator 3 in your exponent stands for the index of your radical. So you just simply simplify 1000 into 3 times. So that is 1000 to 3 times, that would be 10 times 10 times 10. So you can write 1000 into 10 raised to the power of 3 times 2/3. So this came from 1000, that is 10 times 10 times 10 raised to the power of 3 times exponent 2/3. All you have to do is just cancel 3 and 3. What being left, you have 10 raised to the power of 2, which is equal to 100. So the answer is 100. The next one, you have 27 raised to the power of negative 1 over 3. So by the product rule, when it comes to exponent, we just multiply 2 times negative 1, that will becomes 27 raised to the power of negative 2 over 3. So you just multiply the whole number to the numerator divide. Then you simply simplify 27. 27 came from 3 times 3 times 3. So there are 3 in 27. 3 raised to the power of 3. So 3 times 3 times 3 is 27 times negative 2/3. Then simply you can cancel 3. What being left, you have 3 to the negative 2. Remember, there is no negative answers when it comes to exponents. So you just simplify 1 over 3 squared, or 1 over 9. And that is 1 over 3 squared, or 1 over 9. That is the answer for number 2. For number 3, the index, or the denominator of the exponent is 2. So you just get the perfect square of 16, which is 4 raised to the power of 2 times exponent 3 halves. You can cancel 2. What being left, you have 4 raised to the power of 3. So the answer is 4 times 4, 16 times 4, 64. And for the last example, here we have 343 raised to the power of 64. Remember, 343 can be break down into 377 times 7 times 7. So you can write 343, that is 7 raised to the power of 3. And 64 can be break down into 4 as well. That is 4 times 4 times 4 over 4 raised to the power of 3 times, with the exponent negative third. So to eliminate negative, you just simply interchange. You get the reciprocal. That will be 4 to the power of 3 times 2/3. So the negative becomes positive because you get the reciprocal. That is 7 raised to the power of 3 to the 2/3. You can cancel the 3. Here you can cancel the 3. What we left, you have 4 squared over 7 squared. This will become 16 over 49. This is the answer. That's all.